How are you all? I hope you are all fine. So, after a long time, I think I'm going to continue, right? So, before we have revised that decimal sum part, right? So, anyway, I think I post one more video, I think, right? After that PA test. Yes. Okay. So, that means not a long time, a short time. Okay. Okay. So, anyway, students, today we are going to see that hundredth, right? In decimal, already we have seen that. What is that we have seen? Already tenth only we have seen, right? So now we are going to see that hundredth. So as you know that decimal, which means after a point, we are writing certain digits. So after the decimal point, the first digit which called as tenths, second digit which called as hundredths. Am I right? Yes. So today we are going to see that hundredths. Okay. So what is meant by hundredths? Decimal point after first digit tenth I said, second digit hundredths, right? So numerically we have written as 1 by 100. Am I right? Okay. So just a minute. See, if you are going to buy a cloth, any cloth, not a ready-made cloth, okay? So you are going to buy certain cloth, they'll give 2 meter, 2.25 meter, and they are saying that 2.25 meter and 4.75 meter, 2 meter for 2 meter, 1 meter, this much shirt, this much pant. So everything they are saying, right? So in that cloth shop, they are having one long size scale, right? It's called meter scale. Okay, not a centimeter scale. That is 1 meter scale. Okay, so not only from cloth, okay, even the tailor also he is measuring by using tape. So he also measuring that this much centimeter, this much meter it will come. Okay, so we have to know what is the relation between meter and centimeter. Okay, so from that only we can solve some problems. So first one, 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1 meter. Okay, already I said, for example, if you take 30 centimeter scale, that means you are all buying on feet scale, no, that is 30 centimeter scale only, and a small scale, that is 15 centimeter. So likewise, if you are increasing that the number of centimeter at up to 100, that time we call it as 1 meter scale. Okay, so 1 meter is nothing but for example, what is that? 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 30 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So totally if we are adding means 100 centimeter it will come. So 100 centimeter, which will say that 1 meter scale. So remember that 1 meter which is equal to 100 centimeter, or 100 centimeter which is equal to 1 meter. Okay, so 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Okay, that means 1 centimeter what? 1 centimeter in terms of a meter. Okay, so here, sorry for that, this 1 meter, just a minute, I will take that. Okay, so this one I will change. So this is called 1 by 100 meter. Okay, okay. So okay students, sorry for that. Okay, so anyway, just a minute. Yes, it is coming, right? Yes. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Okay. Okay, next one. So based on this one, we are going to solve problem. So remember that. Sir, how sir 1 centimeter equal to meter, 1 by 100 meter will come? See here, that 100, it will go from left side to right side, means it will become what's called division. Okay, it will go into divide by that number. Okay, So that means 100 centimeter, 1 meter divided by 100. Okay, divided by 100, that means 1 by 100 meter. So remember that 1 centimeter which is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Okay, so if you are representing a large scale meter, large scale into small scale means directly it will come. Okay, large scale means what? Meter. Small scale means what? Centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, but if we are representing small scale to large scale means it will come 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, this kind of it will come. Okay, so that time it will come division. Okay, so 1 by 100 meter. Okay, okay, the next one. Yes, so here how many box they given? Can you count how many box totally? Okay, okay, I'll help you. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In one row, sorry, one column, 10 boxes is there. So here in one row, how many small boxes there? Just find. Totally there are 100 number of small boxes is there. So from this one I'm going to ask the question. Just a minute. Yes, see here. So how to represent? See here, how to represent this dark portion? This dark portion, no, that means highly that colored, darkly colored. Okay, right? So that colored portion alone, I want to represent in terms of decimal number. Okay, so how many box gets gets shaded darkly? That means 10 box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 box. So out of this 10 box, totally how many box? 100, right? So total number of box which is equal to 100, darkly shaded box which is equal to 10. So decimal value, so as you know that decimal value, what is the decimal value? So darkly shaded divided by total number of box. So darkly shaded means how many box darkly shaded? 10. So 10 box are darkly shaded divided by total number of box. Total number of box which means what? 100, right? So if we divide means 10 divided by 100. See, look at the students, just for 1 0 in the numerator and 1 0 in the denominator will be cancel each other. Okay, so 1 0 cancel, remaining 1 by 10. Now 10, how many 0? Only 1 0. That means we have to make 1 point. After that, what is the digit present in the numerator? 1. So 1 divided by 10. What is the answer? 1 divided by 10, 0.1. Okay, so 1 divided by 10 means for 1 0 you have to make 1 point, and then that digit should include. Okay, that means the numerator digit should include. So 0.1. Okay, so otherwise you can do it directly. 10 divided by 100 means for 2 0, 2 points it will go, right, from the rightmost to leftmost. Okay, so that means the rightmost 10 after, now the point is there. So 2 0, 2 times it will go. For 1 0 it will come 0 after, and one more 0 it will come 1 after. So 0.10. So 0.10 is nothing but 0.1. Okay, so understand, students? Okay, so the next one. Okay, so write as fraction in lowest terms. Okay, so here they gave few numbers. That few numbers we have to write in terms of fraction. Okay, okay, here a decimal number they given, we have to convert fraction. Already we have seen this one, but in 10th only we have seen, right? Now we are not, now we are going to see that hundreds. Before we have seen that 10th digits. Okay, based on 10th we did few problems. Now based on hundreds, how it will come? Okay, so just a minute. 0.04, that's the first sum. So we will work out that 0.04. So simply just think about 0.04, right? So 0.04, you know one thing, all the numbers are having denominator 1. Okay, for example 4 can be written as 4 divided by 1. So 0.04 divided by 1, all the number we can write divided by 1. because if we divided by 1 means same number it will come. Okay, for example 2 divided 2 we can write 2 by 1, 3 we can write 3 by 1, 4 we can write 4 by 1, 5 we can write 5 by 1. Likewise it will we can written as n numbers divided by 1. Okay, if we divide by 1 same number only it will come. So 0.04 I have taken 0.04 divided by 1. So why sir we have to take, because we have to convert the decimal into fraction. Okay, so that only, so I have taken 0.04 divided by 1. Now just look carefully in the numerator 0.04 decimal point after totally how many digit? 0 point, that point after totally how many digit is present? 0 and 4. So 2 digit is there. So whenever after the decimal point only 2 digit is present, we have to multiply by 100. Okay, that means 20 digit. 20 digit means what? 100. Okay, if it is 3 digit present means we have to multiply by 1000. If it is 4 digit means we have to multiply by 10,000. So why sir we have to multiply? Because once we multiply it means we will get a whole number, so that only we are multiplying. So 0.04 into 100 means, so for that 20 the decimal point it will go from left to right. For 10 it will go 0 after 0.4, next to 10 it will come 4.0. Okay, so that means 4. Okay, for 20 2 times it will go, 2 times it will move. Okay, that is why I marked in that arc. Okay, 0.04 into 100 means that 20 the decimal point is moving from there into 2 digit after. So 0.04 into 100 means 4 and 1 into 100, 4 by 100. Or we can write without multiplying directly, we can write as 4 by 100. Yes, because 0.04 we can write 4 by 100 because decimal point after 2 digit is present. So we can write 4 divided by 100 directly. Okay, but this is the procedure. 0.04 how it will 4 came means we have to multiply 100 and divide by 100. Why we have to multiply only 100 means because 2 digit is present. 2 digit means 20 digit. 20 digit means only possible 100. So that only we are multiplying by 100. So 4 by 100. And if we simplified further, 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10 and that 0 it will include 50. So 2 by 50. So still we can reduce it. 1 2s are 2, 25 2s are 50. Okay, so understand students? Okay, so the next one, yes, this one solution, the third problem, the second problem I think so. Yes, see here 2.34. So second problem 2.34, third problem 0.342. So 2.34, we will see that 2.34. Yes, so 2.34 we can written as 2 plus 34 divided by 100, because 2 plus 0.34 which is called 2.34, right? So just a minute. Sorry for that. Okay, so 2 plus 0.34. So 0.34 we can written as 34 divided by 100. Am I right? Okay. Next 2 is the whole number. So 34 divided by 100 we can reduce it. So 17 2s are 34. Otherwise we can take one digit individually. First digit 3. So in 3 how many 2s are present? 1 2. So 1 2s are 2. Remaining 1. That 1 it will go near to 4. It will become 14. So 14 how many 2s? 7 2s are 14. Okay, right? So 17. So no need to what's called mug up the till 17th table. So individual digit we can divide. The remainder we can take the remaining digit we can take to the next digit, and if we combine that number means we will get, and then we can divide it further continuously. For example, see here 100. Okay, so 100, what is the first digit? 1. So 1 it will not divide by 2. So what is the next digit? 0. So 10 it will divide. How many 2s are 10? 5 2s are 10. So remaining 0. So remaining 0, lastly that here 100 after, that means 10 after 1 0, that 0 it will come. So that means 50. Okay, so 2 plus 17 by 50. So it is a mixed fraction. So we can 2 plus 17 by 50 we can written as 217 by 50. Okay, so understand students? So next problem we will see in that next slide. So until you have to wait. So the next problem is 0.342, right? 0.342. So this one